Hi, so this will show you a quick way to add a document that may be set up as a Google Doc to your Google Classroom so that it becomes a Kami assignment for notation purposes. So I'm in my test class right now, and I am going to go to classwork, and I'm going to choose create, and I'm going to select Kami assignment as my assignment choice. What that does is it allows you to link your Kami account up here into your Google Classroom. If you don't have the button for create Kami assignment, it means you haven't used it before. So I'll show you an alternative way for doing this in a moment. So for right now, this is going into my test class for all students, and I want it published, not draft. I will do test Kami assignment. Any additional instructions will go here. I will select my points value or make it ungraded. I will select my due date because that's always good practice for putting it on a calendar in terms of having it show up on the student calendar for the class and for it to show up on their main page as something that they need to do. I always suggest putting it under a topic that makes sense for you. And we're also going to link it. Since this attachment is coming from my Google Drive as a Google Doc, I'll select the Google Drive. And I'll go to recent. And I will choose actually from my drive something that I just had, and it was called test Google Doc for Kami video. You definitely, what's nice about the Kami assignment part is that it actually defaults to make a copy for each student, which is really how you want to run any of these assignments that you don't want students to collaborate on. So I like using the create Kami assignment feature for this. So now what happened is my Google Doc, which started out as just a Google Doc, I didn't convert it to anything, is now going to upload as a PDF file, which is how Kami works. And I'm going to select assign. And once this is uploaded into my Google Classroom, when the students get the assignment and they see it in their stream, this Google Doc, this item that was once a Google Doc, will now show up. And let's go take a look at what it looks like for them. This is what it will look up. It will now show up as a PDF, and it will prompt them automatically, will open up in Kami for them. So this is the easiest way to add a Kami assignment to your Google Classroom. But if you have not already linked Kami with your Google Classroom, your first step is going to be clicking on this K up in the corner of your extension bar and getting started. What it will do for your first time is it will prompt you to link to your Garden City Google account. You can give it access, say allow. It might ask you that several times, and that's what you can do. Once you open up your Kami main page, will let you do multiple things. You can choose a blank page to get started. You can open something from the computer and start annotating it. Sometimes I find this nice if I have a document somebody sent to me that I need to sign or edit, I can open up any file from my computer already and get working on it, or from my drive. So you could also from here hit create classroom assignment directly from pressing that K up in the top corner. And as you can see, it gives me a similar interface to what I got when I accessed it through Classroom itself. The only difference here is I have to select which class I want to add this to. And with this, you can only select one class at a time when it's done this way. Okay, so I can select the students that I want to send this to from the class and add it from my Google Drive again, and I get a similar situation. So you can either start your Kami assignment directly from your classroom by creating a Kami assignment, or you can go directly to the K here and open it up directly from the Kami extension on your browser. Hope this helps. Reach out if you have any questions.